Hello, my name is Erin Woods, and I am one of the criminal and traffic defense attorneys at Student Legal Services. I'm going to talk to you today about driving in the U.S. U.S. laws may be different than your home country. SLS wants you to know your legal rights and responsibilities while driving. On this slide, you'll find all the ways you can reach Student Legal Services. Take note that you can both call and text our phone number. You'll also see here the pictures of the full-time licensed attorneys who work at Student Legal Services. Be sure to follow us on social media where we post important information about our services and valuable tips for students. So what exactly is Student Legal Services? We are a nonprofit law office that Ohio State has specifically chosen to contract with to provide legal advice, representation, education, and resources to eligible Ohio State students. We provide legal services for the issues that students typically face. Our services are confidential, and we cannot share your information with the university or anyone else without your permission. Students need lawyers for all kinds of issues, including those listed here. For example, if you are given a ticket by a police officer for speeding or causing a traffic accident, we can help you. If you're ever unsure whether Student Legal Services can help you, or if your issue is something we cover, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email us. So let's talk about driving in the U.S. There is a lot of information that international students may receive about driving here that is incorrect. It is important to get your information from resources like our office. Please do not just rely on what your friends may tell you. First, you must have a valid license to drive in the United States. You cannot drive with just an international driver's license. Your friends may tell you that it's okay to drive with your home country license and an international driver's license. Your friends are wrong. If you drive with just an international driver's license and are stopped by the police, they will give you a traffic citation. To get an Ohio driver's license, you must visit the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles to first obtain a temporary permit. Temporary permits are not driver's licenses. With a temporary permit, you cannot drive by yourself without a licensed driver in the passenger seat. Only after you have taken and passed your road skills test and been issued a driver's license will you be allowed to drive by yourself. For more information about driver licenses, visit the websites listed here, and if you have additional questions, please schedule an appointment with us. You must have car insurance to drive. There are no exceptions to this rule. If you are driving your car, a friend's car, a rental car, or any car, you need to be listed as an insured driver on a car insurance policy. If you are stopped by police and do not have car insurance, then your license could be suspended and you will not be able to drive. You will also be given citations from the police and have to appear in court. We recommend that you obtain more than just the minimum liability insurance. Liability insurance covers property damage and medical expenses for others if you're at fault in an accident. It does not cover your own vehicle or medical bills. Therefore, you should purchase a comprehensive policy in addition to a liability policy so that you and your property are also protected. On our website, you can find more information about car insurance. And if you have additional questions, please schedule an appointment with Student Legal Services. You must be aware of and obey all traffic laws. It is not a defense to a ticket that you are unaware of the law. You have a duty to know the traffic laws and always abide by them. For example, if you were stopped by police for driving over the posted speed limit and were given a traffic ticket, it is not a defense that you did not know the speed limit. The police and court do not care that you do not know the law. It is also not a defense that you are driving at the same speed as everyone else. Alternatively, it is not a defense that no one else was on the road at the time. If you are involved in a traffic accident, you must give your contact information and car insurance information to the other driver before leaving the scene. If you hit a parked vehicle, you still have a duty to provide that information by attaching it to the parked vehicle before you leave. If you do not give your information, you can be given a citation for a hit skip. We recommend that you keep paper and pen in your car for this purpose. If you do not have paper and pen at the time of the accident, call a friend to bring it to you. Lastly, if you are issued a traffic ticket, do not pay the ticket without first speaking to an attorney at Student Legal Services. Traffic charges can carry significant penalties, including financial sanctions, jail time, points, and license suspensions. To ensure your rights are protected and that you get the best outcome on your case, please make an appointment with our office so we can help you. Remember, Student Legal Services is here to help you. We help thousands of students each year, confidentially and with no judgment. You can make an appointment on our website. We offer appointments by phone, video, or in person in our office at 20 East 11th Avenue. Follow us on Instagram. You'll get valuable information, legal tips, and you may even laugh a little. Go Bucks!